Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to create 3D website designs with no code. So first, go to spline.design and then you just need to click on Get Started. Now you need to sign in or sign up your account. Once you've done, here on Dashboard, click on Community. And then from here, you'll find some 3D designs. And then you just need to click on this Explore button at the top. And right from here, as you can see some designs. So for me, I just want to choose this 3D design here. As you can see, the photo real earth. So I just want to choose this one. So click this. And here, as you can see, you just need to scroll down. And then you just need to click on this remix button. And then you will go to the editor, which you can actually customize or edit your 3D design right here. And if I click on this export button at the top, you'll find another option here shows up. As you can see, you can remove the logo, you can remove the background. And if you actually click on this viewer, you can actually disable some settings here. And then once you've done updating your 3D design, so you just need to copy this embed or this code right over here. And once you've done, you'll now go to your web designer, which is, as you can see, the WIX, or if the WIX Studio is available in your country, so you can use that one. And then here at the top left of your screen, just click on Add Element. And then from here, just need to click on this embed code. And from this embed code, you just click on this embed HTML. Now you'll go here on this option where you can actually paste the link from this spline design. Now right here, just click on update, and here is the 3D animation or 3D design. So you can actually add this to your website. You can add some backgrounds, some designs, or customize this one, or you can actually add text to make your website more attractive. So that's how you basically create 3D website designs with no code. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.